Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It starts with a simple, honest look at your current situation. Track your income, list your outgoings, and identify where your money is really going. Awareness is the very first step towards taking control of your financial future. Next, build a realistic budget that works for your lifestyle. Prioritize your essentials, set aside a portion for savings, and don't forget to allow yourself a little breathing room for enjoyment. A well-planned budget is your roadmap to financial stability and long-term wealth. Finally, invest in your financial education. Read books, follow trusted advisors, and stay informed about market trends. The more you learn, the better decisions you'll make. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, and every smart choice brings you closer to your goals. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always seek advice from a qualified professional before making financial decisions. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice.